So, looking on Amazon, I found this soap, which is a little bit weird because it's supposed to be used as shampoo. And then I come down to the reviews and it says people eat this soap, which is weird.